When it comes to measuring the length of an object, we can use a ruler, which is a scaled instrument with metric units including centimeters, millimeters, and inches. Today, we will just be looking at the centimeter and millimeter side. When looking at the ruler, it is important to align the 0 centimeter mark with the beginning point of the object you are trying to measure. Take this pink line for instance. I can see that the line starts at this point, so I'm going to take my ruler and align the 0 centimeter mark with the start of the line. You need to ensure the ruler is straight and close to the line. Otherwise, the measurement results in an inaccurate answer, and it is also hard to see the final measurement on the ruler, as it is on an angle. For example, I'm going to measure the distance between the starting point and the end point of this pink line. I can see that the line ends here at the 10 centimeter mark. I have now determined that the pink line is 10 centimeters long. But what if I have two colored lines displayed like this? How can I determine which is longer? No matter where the lines are positioned in comparison to one another, I still need to find the starting point of each colored line and measure it from the starting point to the end point with my ruler. Remember, align the 0 centimeter mark on your ruler with the start of the line. Here you can see this blue line has a length of 9 centimeters. Even though the green line above looks as though its ending point is longer, we can see that the starting point is different to the blue line before. So once again, we measure it using the ruler. I can see that from the starting point to the end point, this green line is in fact 7 centimeters long. From these results, I can see that the blue line is longer in length. Let's look at one final example. Here I have 3 colored lines that are positioned at different angles across the page. To determine which line is the longest, I will measure them individually with my ruler, as the length of each line is determined from the distance between the start and the end point. The purple line is 6 centimeters. The yellow line is 9 centimeters. And the pink line is 11 centimeters. The line that is longest in length is the pink line. The takeaway message from this lesson is to always measure the starting point of a line or object with the 0 centimeter mark on a ruler, instead of focusing on which line or object has a further ending point.